Good morning, students of class 7. Today we are going to study English literature book. In literature book we shall study chapter number 3. Chapter 3, Nirja Bhanot. The mortal becomes immortal. This is a true story of a brave girl of our country. She has really become immortal due to her brave act. This is a true story of this brave and courageous girl. Page number 18. First I read the first page, then I will explain it in simple language. Great people become immortal through their noble deeds. This is the story of one such brave soul, Nirja Bhanot, who saved many lives in an encounter with terrorists without caring for her own life. Her heroic deeds will be remembered forever not only by Indians but also by the whole world. We all salute this brave girl as a true martyr. I have read, before you read. Through this information we know that this is the story of brave girl Nirja Bhanot, who saved the lives of many people through her heroic, courageous actions. And what did she do? We will read in this story. We will read and find out what has she done. So she has become immortal. Immortal means she is now not alive, but she will be remembered always. For all time she will be remembered with respect as a brave and courageous girl of our country. I read the first page, then I will explain it in simple language. Nirja Bhanot, the daughter of Rama Bhanot and Mr. Harish Bhanot, was born on 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh. She was an alumna of Sacred Heart Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, Bombay, Bombay Scottish School and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. Nirja had an arranged marriage in March 1985 and joined her husband in the Gulf. Within 2 months of her marriage, in March 1985, and joined her husband in the Gulf. Within 2 months of her marriage, she returned to her parents' home in Mumbai, as she was not prepared to yield under the pressure for dowry. Nirja was a strong, optimistic girl. She decided to move ahead in life. She accepted a modeling contract, but soon she applied for the post of flight attendant with Pan Am Airlines. It was not difficult for her to be selected, and soon she went to Miami for training as a flight purser. She performed her duties as a responsible and devoted flight attendant. On 5th September 1986, senior flight purser Nirja boarded the Pan Am Airlines 73, little realizing what was in store for her. The flight left Mumbai in the early hours of the morning and landed at Karachi at 5 am. This flight was an en route to Frankfurt and onward to New York City. The plane was yet to take off when Nirja realized that the plane had been hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists belonging to Abu Nidal organization backed by Libya. She immediately rushed towards the cockpit to inform the cockpit crew members. She was overpowered by one of the terrorists, but somehow she managed to shout the hijack code. Her co-attendant got the code and passed it ahead into the cockpit. Now I explain you this page in simple language that Mirza Bhanot was a brave girl of our country. She was born in Chandigarh. Her father's name was Rama Bhanot, mother's name was Rama Bhanot, and father's name was Mr. Harish Bhanot. She was born 7 September 1963 in Chandigarh. She primary education she got at Sacred Heart Senior School, Chandigarh. Then the family shifted to Mumbai. There she studied at Bombay Scottish School and St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. When Nirja was married in 1985, arranged marriage, 1985, she went to live with her husband in the Gulf. In the Gulf means country, Arabian country. Went to live in Dubai city. But there her husband tortured her so much for dowry. So she came back to her parents, India. She came back to Mumbai and started living with her parents. She was a girl full of hope and desire to do something in life, to go ahead, move ahead in life. Then she started her career as a model here in Mumbai. And after some time, she applied for the post of air hostess. Flight attendant means air hostess for the aeroplane Pan Am Airlines. For Pan Am Airlines, she applied for air hostess, and she was soon selected. And she went to Miami. Miami is American city. There she for training. For training, she went there, performed her duties very well, and she was selected. Joined her duty. Now an incident happened in 1986. In 1986, Pan Am flight name was Pan Am Flight 73. The aeroplane took off from Mumbai. Aeroplane flew from Mumbai very early in the morning. It was to go to America, New York City, through Karachi, Pakistan. From Mumbai it flew to Karachi. Early morning the plane reached Karachi at 5 a.m. From Karachi through the Frankfurt city in Germany. Via Frankfurt city it was to go to New York. But at 5 a.m. first it from Mumbai reached Karachi. Plane had not taken off, plane was just about to take off. Just then Nirja realized that the plane has been hijacked, kidnapped. Hijacked means kidnapped. Plane has been hijacked. 4 terrorists who were occupied with arms and ammunition, deadly arms. Terrorist group was from Libya country. Organization name was Abu Nidal. Terrorist organization name was Abu Nidal, and it was from Libya country. She realized terrorists have come, so she ran towards the cockpit. Cockpit means the sitting place where the pilot, co-pilot, engineers sit. Went towards, but just then one of the terrorists caught her hand. She could not inform to the pilot, but she spoke something in code language, secret language, that terrorist could not understand. But her colleague, another air hostess, understood the code language and gave information to the pilot. Now I read again page number 19. The pilot, the co-pilot and the flight engineer became self-centered and selfish. After effectively grounding the plane, these crew members escaped from the aircraft, leaving behind 360 passengers and 13 cabin crew members at the mercy of the heartless terrorists. Being the most senior cabin crew member on board, Nirja took charge. She did not panic or lose nerves. She kept the passengers calm and composed, comforting them from time to time. She took good care of the passengers' needs. Having been taught how to deal with such difficult situations, she proved to be a real model for the other cabin crew members. The terrorist instructed Bhanot to collect the passports of all the passengers. It did not take time for her to realize that the terrorist wanted to identify the American passengers. Bhanot, along with the other attendants, hid the passports of the American passengers. Now I explain this one in easy words, easy language. When the secret language, Nirja's other colleague, other air hostess in secret language told the pilots, then pilot, co-pilot, another pilot, co-pilot, another pilot, co-pilot, his helper, and flight engineer. They became selfish. They did not care for other passengers, and they came down. They left the plane, did not care for the passengers. They came out of the plane. There were total 360 passengers and 13 cabin crew members, 13 air hostess and other members, 13 passengers were 360, and they were left at the mercy of these heartless terrorists. Now what will happen? But Nirja did not lose her courage and hope. She took charge. She took the responsibility. She did not fear at all because she was brave and courageous girl. And she also kept peaceful environment among the passengers. She tried to entertain them and she took proper care of all the passengers, fulfilled all their needs. During training, she was taught how to deal with in difficult situations, how to deal, how to come out of the difficult situations. And really, she proved himself a real example, real model for other members. When the terrorist ordered Nirja to collect the passports of all the passengers, all the 360 passengers of the plane. And now Nirja understood that the terrorist wanted to kill all the American passengers. Then she, with the help of her other members, tried to hid all the passports of American passengers were hid so that their lives can be saved. Okay students, The rest part of the story I will explain tomorrow. Thank you. That's all.